Hello, my name is Dr Diane Turner and I'm the Director and Senior Consultant of Anthias Consulting Limited. We do consultancy and training in analytical chemistry techniques like gas chromatography, mass spectrometry, liquid chromatography. Today I'd like to talk to you about our one-day hands-on gas health check course. Helium is very much used in chromatography and gas chromatography in particular because it's inert and non-flammable. However, the price of helium is rapidly increasing and there is a shortage in supply. So therefore it's very important to ensure that you don't waste helium in your laboratory. On this one-day on-site training course, we will come in and teach you about your gas supply and plumbing, and then we'll go into the laboratory and we will teach you how to look for leaks and how to correct those leaks. We'll also move on to your GC method and look for ways to then reduce your helium usage. So this could be from simply setting up standby methods to reduce the use of helium when you're not using your instrument, for example, reducing your spit flows, as well as looking for leaks and making sure that you're not wasting any of this precious gas.